Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add testimonials for your site in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you're gonna click on it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is testimonials. So sign up for free, and now you can sign up with Google or Facebook. It's really up to you which one you choose. And when you will have it, you want to click login. And when you click login, you want to write to your search testimonials slider. Let's create a widget. And now when you have it, you can choose between slider, rotator, cards, list, grid. I really like the rotator. It's like pretty cool. I think you can choose which one you like. Continue with template. You can go with a single or balloon. I like this one here. Now, you're gonna see content. Editing content is really easy. You want to click on it, edit the text, author name, change the picture, change the company logo. If you have it, you just can also get rid of it and really edit everything. When you got it, you can call it style, advanced custom CSS, and also change the colors of stars, etc. Now let's click save. And when you will have it, you need to choose a plan. You can go with the light version, which is $0 a month, or go with the basic or pro version, but it's really good if you get 5,000 views or 50,000 views per month. Then choose pro, or go with the all packs if you like more, but we will get to it in the end of the video. When we have it, let's copy the testimonial slider, add HTML to our site. Let's delete and paste our HTML, save. Now let's just wait until it loads. And voila, here we got it. Perfect testimonials for our site in BigCommerce. And it's pretty good. If you have any questions, guys, definitely ask me down below in the comments. And also check all the applications. So if you check Placeit apps and you like more of them, like Facebook feed, Twitter feed, live chat, reviews, Google reviews, etc., go with the all applications. That's really good, because if you're gonna pay for $10 for pro version and you're gonna choose 6 other applications, so you will save money with the pro pack. And that's about it. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.